Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the file and isolating the glass layer. Duplicate the layer so you have a safety copy. Next, enable a layer mask and zoom to 100% to inspect edges. Use Quick Mask briefly to visualize problem areas. This helps you see transparent pixels and halos. Once done, switch to the Channels panel to check alpha or transparency data, because you need that information to remove background without losing subtle reflections and opacity gradients. You now refine the selection. Start with Select Subject or the Pen tool for a clean outline, then enter Select and Mask. Adjust radius to capture edge translucency, increase smooth to reduce jaggedness, and tweak contrast and shift edge until the glass rim looks natural. Once applied, paint on the layer mask with a soft, low-flow brush to recover highlights and internal transparency. This lets you restore subtle inner tones without reintroducing the background. You finish by cleaning residual artifacts. Sample nearby clear areas and use the clone stamp and healing brush sparingly to eliminate specks. Place a test layer underneath, solid color, gradient, and a pattern to verify true transparency across conditions. If you see halos, make sure to defringe or shrink the selection by 1 pixel and feather slightly. This removes edge fringe without flattening transparency. If colors shift, convert to a linear working space and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.